Welcome students. We're discussing this chapter determinant and we already completed up to this properties of determinant. Now today we will talk about addition of determinant and we will solve the problems from the class 12 mathematics book by S&A. This exercise 2B 4 marks questions. So what is and how to add this to determinant or two or more than two determinant. So here I am taking this to determinant A, B, C, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, and the second one M, N, L, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Now look at here. This column, this second column and third column, and here also second column and third column are same for this to determinant. Now only difference is this first column. So the rule for adding this to determinant is given by this, that is A plus M, X, P, B plus N, Y, Q, C plus L, Z, R. That is we need to add the first elements since remaining terms are same, so that will be same again, and just we will add this A plus M, B plus N and C plus N. Now if we add this third matrix, so in the same manner we will add this thing, this other determinant also, not matrix, determinant also. So this is the change in column. So same change in row, that is also applicable, that is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and then P, Q, R. This is the first determinant, and the second determinant is given by M, N, L, X, Y, Z, and then P, Q, R. Add them, you will find this is given by A plus M, B plus N, and C plus L, and this X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Okay, so this is given by this addition of this to determinant. Clear? So this is the rule for adding this to determinant or more than two determinant. Now you already know that properties of properties of determinant, you already know that if any determinant is given in this form, that is any row or column is written in an addition of two terms, so we can write down, we can break this determinant as a sum of two determinant of same order. You already apply this property in the previous class, and today also we will apply this property, that is this addition of this determinant. So moving to this first question, this is from exercise 2B 4 marks questions. So we already solved before this question number 9. So let's start from this question number 9. Order 3 determinant is given, you need to find this value is given by 5x plus 4 into x minus 4 the whole square. Now the factors here 5x plus 4 and x minus 4. Okay. Now firstly I am taking this factor 5x plus 4. How to find this means how to get this factor from this determinant. Now if we apply this operation, that is I am adding this element, this and this. That is I am adding this column 1, column 2 and column 3. So x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, that is 5x plus 4. And same for this also, same for this also. Right? So this is your first operation. That is, write down first this LHS. This is your LHS, right hand side. And then add these columns, that is C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Add them. Now after adding them you will find these elements are given by 5x plus 4. So taking common 5x plus 4 from column 1, taking common from this column 1. So after taking common, this in this first column elements are 1 1 1. So we can make it 1 0 0. That means in among these three elements, one element should be non-zero and other element should be, we can make them 0. So make them 0. That is, we are applying this R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Apply this to operation, that is x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x, and then 2x minus 2x, then again 2x minus 2x, and x plus 4 minus 2x. So this value is given by 1, 2x, 2x, this 4 minus x, 0, 0, 4 minus x. Now look at that. The lower portion of this diagonal element, all the elements are 0. So in this lower triangular matrix, so this is the determinant of this lower triangular matrix, and in this previous class we told you that there is a property, that is, if any triangular matrix is given, then its determinant value is given by just multiplication of its diagonal elements. So this is following this property. So multiply its diagonal element, that is 4 minus x into 4 minus x, that is 4 minus x the whole square, or you can write down this one as x minus 4 the whole square. The value will be same. And what is this? This is your right hand side. So we proved it. So moving to the next question. Question number 10. Order 3 determinant is given. You need to find the value. Now look at this right hand side. If we take common a square from this terms, so you will find this is a plus 3. Right? So a plus 3 will be a factor of this determinant value. Clear? Now how to get this factor a plus 3? If we add this with this and with this, that is column 1 plus 2 plus 3. So 1 plus a plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 plus a. We are getting this factor. So apply this. This is your LHS. So apply the operation, that is column 1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. Now taking common this 3 plus a. So taking common this 3 plus a from C1. From the C1 you are taking common this 3 plus a. So now after taking common, these elements are 1 and 1. So in a similar manner, in this row also 1, 1, 1 is there. So you can make this also the one element non-zero and other element 0. And for the column, you can also apply the same process. Here I am taking this column operation, that is column 2 dash is given by C2, in the column, so that means R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. So now look at that again, triangular. So you will find this determinant of this triangular matrix. So the value is given by a square plus into 3 plus a. And if we multiply this one, so you will find this RHS value, that is a cube plus 3a square. So we proved it. So moving to the next question, question number 11. Again, ordered 3 determinant is given. You need to find these values. Now look at here. In the first column, 1, 1, 1. So without applying any operation on column or row, you can make this element, one of this element non-zero and other elements are 0. So write down first this LHS value and then apply this operation. That is, I'm making these elements are 0. That means R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Clear? So after applying this one, you will find, so this cancel these terms, C minus C, C square minus C square, and then not A, this is B minus B, and then here B square minus B square. So write down the remaining terms. 1 b plus c, b square plus c square, 0 b minus a minus b, and then a square minus b square, a minus c, a square minus c square. Now simply multiply this one with this and minus this with this. Just break this determinant. So a minus b, a minus c into a plus c, since a square minus c square is there, and for a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Now take common this a minus b and a minus c. So you will find another factor is c minus b. Since b minus c is there and this is c minus a is there, so adjust this minus. So this is your right hand side. Moving to the next problem. Question number 12. A square plus 1 ab ac, ab b square plus 1 bc, and then AC, BC, C square plus 1 is given by 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. It's only one factor. So let us find that how we will get this factor 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Now for each row here 1 plus A square, 1 plus B square, 1 plus C square. Just we need to find these two terms. For 1 plus A square, you need to find this B square and C square. From where you will get these two terms. And for the second one, a square and c square. And for the third one, this will be b square and a square. Okay, so how we will get these terms? So write down first this LHS. Now look at here. If I multiply this row by a, this column by a, this column by b, and this column by c. So what you will get? You will get this a into a square plus 1, a into b square, and a into c square. And if we add them, so we will find a common 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So apply the operation, you will find this factor 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So what I'm doing, I'm multiplying this column 1 is by a into c1, column 2 b into c2, and column 3 c into c3. Clear? Since I'm multiplying this one, so I need to divide this by ABC. So divide the determinant by ABC only. Now add this columns. So C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay. So look at here. You will get this factors 1 plus B square plus C square plus A square. So take again common. So taking common, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square from C1. So after taking common, now let's see in these terms. Look at here. For this first row, you can take common from the first row a b square, ac square. So you can take common a. For the second row, you can take common b. For the third row, you can take common c. So what happens if we take common this a, b and c, this abc will get cancelled. So take common this abc. So taking common, a from R1, B from R2, and C from R3. Clear? And now this one 1 1 1. The same process 1 0 0. So make this element and this element 0. So make them 0. So that will be 1 B square C square 0 0, and then that will be 1, and that will be 0, and that will be 0, that will be 1. Again, this determinant of lower triangular matrix. So just multiply these diagonal elements and you will find this value. And which is this? Which is RHS. So we proved it. Write down the operation here that we are using this R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1, and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Write down the operation. Don't forget to write down the operation. Okay, so we proved it. Question number 12 done. Question number 13. Order 3 determinant is given. You need to find the value. Firstly, check that this factors a plus b, a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. Firstly, you need to find the factors. So how we will find this factor? A minus 1. So if we subtract it, a plus 1, 1 b, subtract it, minus 1 minus b, take minus common, so 1 plus b. And for these two terms, 1 and c, minus 1 minus c, subtract it from minus 1, so minus 1 minus c, take again minus common, c plus 1. So by this operation, maybe you can get these 3 factors. So let us check if we get these 3 factors or not. So this is your LHS. So let's start with this LHS. And now just apply this operation, that is R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1 and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Clear? Now take common this a plus 1 from the first column, b plus 1 from the second column, and c plus 1 from the third column. So what you will get? A plus 1, b plus 1 and c plus 1. So the determinant, after taking these 3 factors common, you will get this determinant. And so here write down the reason, that is taking common a plus 1 from column 1, b plus 1 from column 2 and c plus 1 from column 3. So now look at here in this factor. Only that if we add this columns, column 1, 2, 3, if we add them, so only this term I am not getting this term, a by a plus 1 minus 1. And instead of this 2 term, I am getting minus 1 by a plus 1. Okay. So firstly, let us find this term and then we will find this a by a plus 1 and minus 1. So firstly add this. Here I am adding this first row with first column with the second column. You can just column 1 dash is given by C1 plus C2. This is C1. So C1 plus C2. So applying this operation, you will find this value and this term will be 0. Now if we add the C1 with C3, so this term will be 0. So make it 0. So C1 dash is given by C1 plus C3. Right? So now again lower triangular, determinant of lower triangular matrix. So this value is given by just multiplying its diagonal elements. So minus 1 plus 1 and this term. That is minus 1 by a plus 1, b by b plus 1, c by c plus 1. Now minus 1 by a plus 1, this term, can I write this term as a by a plus 1 minus 1? Just take LCM of this 2 term, you will find this one. Minus 1 by a plus 1. Clear? So this is your RHS. So we proved it. So moving to the next problem, question number 15. Same order 3 determinant is given and the value is 3 into a plus b plus c. So ab plus bc plus ac. So look at this first factor, a plus b plus c, and this is the second factor, ab plus bc plus ac. So we will talk about this later. For moving for the first factor, so let's start with this LHS. So what is LHS? So write down the LHS first. Now if we add this column 1, column 2, column 3, can you get this factor a plus b plus c? Just add them. 3a plus 3a add with this one, that is 3a minus a plus b minus a plus c. So 3a minus a, that means a and plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c. So for the first row, I got this. For the second and third row also, we'll get this factor. So just add this C1 dash is given by C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, so after applying this operation, write down the value a plus b plus c, and now taking common this a plus b plus c. So taking common a plus b plus c from C1. So from C1 I'm taking common. So now 1, 1, 1. So you can make this terms 0. So make it 0. That is, you are applying R1, R2 dash is given by R2 minus R1, and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Clear? I'm not explaining this calculation. I hope you can understand the calculation here. Here I'm not showing this subtraction. Just I'm writing this value. That is b minus c minus of a, that is plus a minus b. So ultimately that will be b. That will be a minus c. B minus c minus of a, that is plus a minus b. So b cancel, and then a minus c. So these are those terms. So apply these operations, and then just break this determinant and write down the value. So if we multiply these things, you will find this value is given by 3 into ab plus bc plus ca. So just simplify it, you will find this value. And what is this? This is your right hand side. Clear? So moving to the next question. Question number 17. B plus C, A minus B, and then A. C plus A, B minus C, B, A plus B, C minus A, C. And this value is given by 3ABC, A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Now, if you remember that there is a formula of A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Just take minus common from this one. We will find this value. Now, what is the formula? Formula of this one is A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. Right? So A plus B plus C is one of the factor of this term. Okay. Since we know the formula, that means we need this factor A plus B plus C. Now look at here. B plus C is there. A is there. Now if we add them, so what do we get? A plus B plus C. And for the same, for these two terms also. So firstly, write down this operation. That starts with LHS. Write down first LHS and then apply the operation. That is column 1 dash is given by C1 plus C3. So after applying it, you will find this A plus B plus C, take common. Okay. Now look at here. Again, you can apply the addition rule. That is, only this column is different. That is written as a sum of two terms. And this column is 1, 1, 1, and this column is A, B, C. So I can write this thing as 1, 1, 1, and then A, B, C, again A, B, C, this determinant plus 1, 1, 1, then minus B, minus C, minus A, B, C. Now since these two columns are identical, so according to the property, this determinant value is 0. Since if two rows or two columns are identical, we can say that the determinant value is 0. So we don't need to write this determinant. So write only this determinant and taking this minus common. So write down this one, that is minus of a plus b plus c, and 1 1 1 b c a b c. Now 1 1 1. So let's apply this one, that is make it 0. That is c minus b, a minus b, and this is b minus a, c minus a. So we are applying this. R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R1, and R3 dash is given by R3 minus R1. Clear? So now just break this determinant. So you will find this c minus b into c minus a. So multiply it, and a minus b into b minus a. So that means taking minus common. So minus minus plus, and this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And just simplify it, you will find a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. And this term we can write down as this value, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Since minus is there, so multiply this with minus, so you will find this value. And what is this? This is RHS. Clear? So moving to the next question. Question number 19. Prove this one. This order 3 determinant is given. You need to prove this one as this multiplication of this factors, that is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a into a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so firstly write down this LHS, that is a square minus b minus c the whole square. Now look at this here, you can separate this into two determinant. This determinant you can write down the addition of two determinant of same order. So write it down first without applying any operation or anything. Just first make it small and then apply the operation. Now look at here. These two columns are identical, so we don't need to take this determinant. We will only operate on this determinant. So here I am multiplying this column 3 by 2. So C1, C3 dash is given by 2 C3. So since I am multiplying it, I need to divide it again. Okay, so minus half into this determinant. Now look at here. If we add this one, b minus c the whole square plus 2bc. So what you will find? You will find this value is given by b square plus c square, since it's a formula. A square plus b square is given by a minus b the whole square plus 2ab. So what we are doing? We are just applying this c2 dash is given by c2 plus c3. Now if we add this 2 column, so what you will get? You will get this factor a square plus b square plus c square. So c2 dash again given by c2 plus c1. Clear? Now take this common, so you will get this factor a square plus b square plus c square, and this 2 also common from this third column. So write down here that you are taking common from this column and from this column. So I'm not writing down here, so you will write down by yourself. Now 1 1 1, you get this terms. Now you can make this term 0, this term 0. Okay, so make it, that is minus of a square plus b square plus c square. So a square and then b square minus a square. So we are applying this, that is r2 dash is given by r2 minus r1, and r3 dash is r3 minus r1. Okay, so after applying this one, you can break this determinant with respect to this element. So break it. So you will find a square plus b, since this is term number a2, a1, 2. So that means minus 1 will come. So minus minus plus ultimately. And if you will simplify it, just simplify it. I'm not simplifying it here properly. So you will simplify it. I'm just writing down the value directly. So you will find this value, that is this right hand side. Okay, just simplify it. Just multiply with this and this, minus of this and this, and multiply with a square. Okay, you will find this value. Clear? So this is your right hand side, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. then a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so I think from this portion, few problems are remain from up to question number 22. I think you can solve up to question number 22. They're similar type of problems. 3 or 4 problems are remain. So you can solve these problems. If any problem or any doubt is there, you're free to ask. Thank you.